Question number 9, the freezing point of a solution containing 50 cm cubes of ethynyl glycol in 50 grams of water is found to be minus 34 degrees Celsius. Assuming the ideal behavior, calculate the density of ethylene glycol given that Kf for water is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. Options given are A, 1.13 gram per cm cube, B, 2 grams per cm cube, C, 1.8 gram per cm cube, and D, 2.25 grams per cm cube. Okay, so here, first thing, what has been given to us? Ethylene glycol. So ethylene glycol, 50 cm cubes. First point. Secondly, mass of water. The mass of water, 50 grams. Now, Kf for water, 1.86. These are the requirements. Let's start. So, in this entire aspect, if we consider the weight of ethylene glycol. Okay, so it is nothing more than equal to 50. Okay, because it's volume. Okay, so 50 into the density. That gives us mass, or we can call it as a weight in this aspect. So this is the first point. We will use this later. When the exact time comes, we shall use this particular point. All right. So this is the starting point, what one has to have a basic of. So secondly, delta Tf, that is the depression. Okay. So depression in freezing point was found to be as minus 34 degrees Celsius, right? Now, what we have is the another aspect. Delta Tf is equal to, now, Kf into, what we have is 1000 into W, the whole thing divided by molality into the weight of solvent. All right. So this is it. 34 is equal to Kf into 1000 into, now Kf value we already have, so I would like to erase this. Okay. So now Kf value is 1.86, right? Into 1000. Now into 50. Okay, that is nothing more than the weight. Okay, so this is the weight what we are going to use. 50 into the density, right? So the whole thing what we have is going to be divided by, okay, what we have m, that what we have taken over here so far is 62. All right, so let's take over here, that is the weight, W, okay, mass in 50 grams. Okay, so 50 grams, right, into, oh yeah, we'll take it into 62. So what we are going to have? Ethylene glycol, that is the weight of the ethylene glycol that what we have taken. So therefore, density is equal to 34 into 62 into 50, right? Whole thing divided by, now 1000 into 1.86 into 50, right? So now quite obvious, 50 first we'll cancel it out. Okay, so now when we calculate this, we are going to have 34 into 62, the whole thing divided by 1000 into 1.86. Okay, so as we calculate this, this is going to give me the value of 1.13 grams per cm cube. Okay, so therefore, answer is optional.